In this video, we are going to do Unit 2, Places and Buildings, Speaking, Task 15. What's the topic of our speaking? Hometown. So in this unit, you're going to speak about your hometown using prepositions, adjectives that you've learned in this unit, and using the correct tense forms. Exam skills, task 15. In the mindset book, all the tasks that come under exam skills are important. In all the skills, in the reading, in the writing, listening, and speaking. So for your presentation, for your speaking exam, please focus on the tasks in exam skills. You will get similar questions in your exams. So let's take a look at task 15. Ask and answer the questions below about your hometown with a new partner. Now, you have to practice asking and answering these questions about hometown. So in our live stream lesson tomorrow, we'll try to set up a speaking task like this. So I may ask two of you to ask and answer questions. So it's a good idea to prepare beforehand. Okay, how do you prepare answers for these questions and how do you practice for your speaking? Let's take a look at question 1. Okay. Can you describe the hometown? Can you describe the town where you grew up? Okay. So most of you grew up in Salalah, yes? So I'll model an answer for you. First of all, you can look for vocabulary from the book itself, from the book tasks. Okay? So here in task 5 yesterday, in task 5, from tasks 5 to 8, you've got vocabulary tasks. And here there's a table where you've got a list of words that you can use to describe your hometown. And task 6 gives you more words which you fill into this table. Okay, and task 7 is also very helpful. Yeah, so you can pick vocabulary words from task 5. Okay, task 6 from this box, or from the gap fill exercise in task 7 if you've completed. Okay, so let me show you how to pick vocabulary from the box. Now we are talking about Salalah, right? Okay, so I'll pick up the word on the coast because that's true for Salalah. Okay, and I want to give some positive adjectives to my city. So lively, exciting. Okay, what about the weather? I would say the weather is mild. It's not too hot, not too cold, so mild, moderate. Yeah, and I don't think these words would be appropriate. Okay, but here I can pick up the word historic, maybe modern. Yes. Okay. Let me go to the other box. I'll pick this word, ancient, maybe cool, in the south. Okay, so you take vocabulary from the word lists that you already have in the book. Okay. So what's the question? Can you describe the town where you grew up? Yes. Okay. So what are the words that we decided to use from the boxes, from the vocabulary list and from the box? Modern in the south, mild, cool, lively and exciting, on the coast. Okay. So now I'm going to use these words to describe the town where I grew up. It's just a model, okay? It's just an example. I grew up in Salalah. It's a modern city located in the south of Oman. It's on the coast. There are many beautiful beaches and mountains. It's lively and exciting. The weather is fine. It's mild and cool most of the year. So I've used these words to speak about the town where I grew up. Okay, so try to use the words that you've learned in this unit. Let's look at question 2. What's question 2? What places of interest are there in your hometown? Where are they? Okay, so let me go back to the box, the word list. So here's the word list. So can we say that Salalah has got a lot of historical places? Okay, so I'm going to take this. Business, lively, quiet. Let me go back, go here. Places of interest. There are some ancient buildings. Yeah, I'm going to take this word tourist because many tourists visit Salalah. You can use the word colorful. There are colorful souks, whatever, yeah. Okay, right. So now I'm going to use some of the words that I thought would be good for my to use in my answer. So historic, ancient, tourist, and I've also added a few like parks, cinema. Okay, so here's the answer. There are many places of interest. It has many historical places such as Al-Balid and Khor Ruri. You can visit the museum or see many ancient buildings. Salalah is a tourist destination. Many tourists visit Salalah during the Kharif season to enjoy the mild weather. I personally enjoy visiting the park near my house. So read all the questions. I've modeled 1 and 2 for you. So read all the questions and prepare answers. These are the likely questions that an examiner would ask you in a speaking exam. Okay, so it's a good idea to practice from now on. So practice, record your answers, listen to your answers, and see how you can improve your answers. Okay, I may ask you some of these questions in my live lesson tomorrow. So that's all for now. This is the end of the video. Thank you.